Stop paying for AI subscriptions that you don't actually need. I found a way to access Grok AI completely free, and I'm going to show you how to set it up in the next few minutes. Let's dive in.
Now, this is how we are going to do this. It is something that if you know how to do it, you can be doing it every single time in order for you to generate your free AI videos. And with that, we are going to be using two AI tools. So number one is fal.ai. Sorry, fal.ai. You press enter. Now we click on the first one, then we come down and click on get started. You make sure you sign in or sign up with your email address. You click on continue with Google. Alright, now you are here. This is main dash. So what you're going to do is come down and click on explore models, and it opens like this. Then you just type in Grok. Now what you're going to do is you look at the Grok models that appear here. This is Grok Imagine Video version 1.5. Then what you're going to do is just copy the link. You right click on it and copy the link. Then open a new tab and type with Figma. Then what you're going to do is click on the first one, then you click on start now. Then when you are here, you log in with your Google. So this is the new app. Let me reduce. Now what you're going to do is click on create file. We are going to skip the tour so that we can proceed with what we want to do. So this particular interface that you are seeing, this black interface that you're seeing, is the place where everything is. And if you look here, you're going to see they gave us 150 credits. So what you're going to do is right click and then come to import model. Click on import model and then click here and paste that link that we copied. Let's get it back. We come here, right click, copy the link address, we come back here and then we paste it here. Now this is the model. This is the model. You can see the picture here is the same picture here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring your cursor to this place, right click on it and then click on prompt. Now this is the place where the prompt is going to be. Let us reduce this. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out again. Now take this up a little bit, bring this one here. So we are building what we call video generator. We'll drag it here. The prompt, will drag it to this imagine. Then we are going to come here, right click again and click on import. Now this is the place where we are going to add our image that we want to generate. We drag it, we drag the node, we drag the node here. Now the last thing we are going to be doing is to right click again and click on export. Then we just drag it here. We successfully built an AI that is going to be generating videos for us for free. Now what we're going to do is to test it out. Now what I'm going to do is, let me add a picture. I'll click here. Then I've already generated some images for my YouTube channel that I'm working on. So I'm going to select one of them and click open, and then I'm going to wait until it loads. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my prompt here. Then I'll write something like they both laughed and the lady said. So they both laughed and the lady said, "I want some money, Michael." So this is just a test. So what we're going to do is we are going to click run model, and then we wait. It's going to ask us for something, and then we click on accept. Then we click on run model again. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to download it. We click on export. So I don't know, we just save it, and then let us check. Now what you're going to do is you keep doing this, and if you notice that your credit is low, you can always use another email address until you finish up your creation or the video that you want to create. So this is easy and it is unlimited. Now let us watch the video that we just generated. Thank you.
Linklin, how about the money you promised me?
Of course, let me do it now.
If that worked for you, hit the like button so that more people can find this video. And I would also want you to subscribe so that you get more videos like this to hack your AI workflow. Let me know in the comments, what are you going to use this free Grok to do first?